What if I told you that one simple 30-day plan could completely change your YouTube channel? A few months ago, I was uploading videos that barely got any views. Every upload felt like I was throwing my hard work into a black hole. Then I stopped guessing what to post and started following a simple 30-day content calendar. And honestly, that changed everything. Most creators don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they upload without a plan. One day it's a tutorial, the next day it's a random short, then they disappear for a week. YouTube rewards consistency, not chaos. Here's the exact system I followed. During the first week, I focused only on research. I found topics people were already searching for instead of creating videos that nobody wanted to watch. In the second week, I batched my content. I wrote multiple scripts in one day, recorded them together, and edited them throughout the week. This saved me hours and kept me consistent. The third week was all about titles and thumbnails. I realized people don't click videos, they click titles and thumbnails. So I spent as much time improving my packaging as I did creating the content itself. Finally, in week 4, I studied my analytics. I checked which videos had the highest audience retention and the best click-through rate. Then I created YouTube Shorts for my best long-form videos to reach even more people. The first week didn't bring many results, the second week was still slow, but by the end of the month, one of my videos started getting recommended by YouTube. Then another one followed. Soon, my channel was getting consistent views, new subscribers, and steady growth. The biggest difference wasn't luck, it was having a system. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, stop guessing and start planning. And if you want practical videos on YouTube, growth, AI tools, online income, and smart wealth building strategies, make sure you subscribe to Wealth Strategist. Every week, I share proven strategies to help you grow faster and build a successful online business. Also, comment calendar below if you'd like the exact 30-day content calendar template. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.